How to fix statue problem on WhatsApp app. Hello guys, on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix statue problem on WhatsApp. So to fix the statue problem, all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, and after you open it, go to the apps manager, then go to apps. Right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp, and when you find it, click on it like this. Now all what you have to do is so easy, just click on the force stop, and now go to notification management, scroll down until you find this more settings option. When you click on it, scroll until you find this high priority notifications, disable it and enable it again, and congratulations, now restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.